Hello, I'm Nancy Heimer-Wild, and welcome to the Gaithersburg Community Museum in Gaithersburg, Maryland, where history comes alive. Trains rumble through Gaithersburg around the clock. The rail complex dates to 1884 and over the years has helped transform this city. It remains the anchor of Olde Towne Gaithersburg. Surrounded by the historic district's shops and restaurants, the station is an active commuter stop and sees dozens of freight trains each day. The original freight house is home to the Gaithersburg Community Museum. Step inside and you'll find hands-on learning centers, a bank where you can be a teller, a general store where you can be the shopkeeper, and a schoolroom where you can be student or teacher. Permanent and rotating exhibits show life in Gaithersburg through its more than 200-year history, tracing the city's roots from an agricultural community to a bustling center for science and industry. Outside, train buffs of all ages can step back in time with a rolling stock exhibit featuring a 1918 steam locomotive, a 1950s rail diesel car, or RDC, and a caboose. The RDC and the caboose house exhibits about railroad history. Young visitors can dress up as though they're working on the railroad. Next door is History Park with its informational plaques. And Old Town Plaza, a special gathering place for community events, including an interactive water feature that offers cool summer fun. The museum isn't just about exhibits and displays. Throughout the year, we host dozens of programs for adults, children, and families that are both educational and fun. Our unique spaces are perfect for birthday parties and social gatherings. Museum staff are happy to assist with rentals and tours. Experience history full steam ahead with a visit to the Gaithersburg Museum, where community is our middle name. For more information, go to gaithersburgmd.gov.